Is your alpha boiler stuck displaying an error code? In this video, we'll be talking through how to reset the boiler to hopefully get out of that error state and get your boiler back up and running. This can often save you the price of a call-out fee, keeping your money in your wallet where you want it to be. Boilers do have computers built in, and sometimes they do trigger false error codes, so by resetting the boiler, it gives it a clean slate and hopefully fixes the issue. Of course, if we try all these tips in this video and it does not work and the error code does proceed, we need to do a bit of deeper diving and probably get an engineer out in the end. So let's give it a try. If you are lucky enough to own an Alpha boiler, this is an Alpha NX behind me. It's been installed by iHeat, so it's more than likely going to have a lot less error codes than others. But in the case where you do have an error code, you want to go over to the boiler, and they've made it really simple here. Just press reset. Pressing the reset button will start up the boiler again. It's like turning anything on and off back in the day. It seemed to fix everything. And hopefully this removes the error code from your boiler. Of course, things like boiler pressure needs to be fixed underneath the boiler with the filling loop. And if it's getting cold out there, it's more than likely you've got a frozen condensate too. But for more fixes like this, check out my boiler not working video up here, as it'll tell you a few more tips and tricks you can try at home before calling out that engineer. Finally, a little trick: if your boiler doesn't have the reset button, head underneath or above to find the fuse spur. It's a quick switch, turn that on and off, and this will do the same thing. This isn't really recommended. It is better to use a reset button or reset set of buttons like on a Worcester boiler, but in worst case scenario, it is an easy fix. I hope that helped, but if you do find yourself resetting your boiler quite a lot or quite a lot of error codes, it may be time for a new one. So head to the iHeat website, fill in a few details, and leave there the very next day to install your brand new boiler. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This has been iHeat.